Okay, so instead here, I'm going to be bringing in Vue.js content. So how? So when we come here, okay, and we go to, under views, under resources, we go to JS, we have Vue.js components, and one of our components is example component, and it is showing that I am an example component. So then we have app.js, and app.js is importing that example component by default, okay? So it is bringing in that example component here under components example component, okay, by default. Then it is looking for an ID called app. So we're going to change this ID to dashboard, let's say, dashboard. And that ID, it is where it is going to be rendering its content. So which means if I come back to app.blade and I come to this ID and I change it to, okay, dashboard, okay, we should be able to see our component. But the reason we're not seeing it is because we must include a script here that is going to read that source, okay? So this script is reading from a JS file because when you render, okay, when you render, the file again comes to, I'll come back to public. The files comes to public, and then it should be able to render JS here, okay? So how does it do that? So it runs, we run npm run dev, which I already have here. Okay, did I run it? So npm run dev. So I've not run it yet. Okay, which one is this? And which one is this? Okay, this is a splitter. So I should delete this, then I have a PowerShell here, and I don't have it yet. Okay, great. So I'm going to run npm run dev. So npm run development. So it's going to run Laravel mix for us, and then it's going to create the JS file. So unfortunately, we're getting an error and cannot find module webpack and then the rows of the description. So let me first run npm update and see. So hope it updates all the missing packages. Okay, let me see. Okay, so it is done running the update. Let's run npm run dev. And we see, okay, so it has updated, and this time around it is building the development components. So after it running the development components, it's going to come and create a JS file in our public here. So here is the JS file. Okay, so this app.js has compiled our Vue into a mixed project. Okay, all the components, it has provided a single JS file for us. Okay, so I'll go ahead and also, okay, file save all. There's no problem. However, if I load, nothing again is happening. Oh, so what do we need to do? Okay, we need to come to our entry point, which is app.blade, and then we run a script. We run a script okay, script. So we're going to include the source, which is src, which is equal to, okay, then we introduce blade, then we include mix, okay, which will be running from in the JS, okay. So, okay, I need just one single quote like this. Mix, so it will be running from, okay, which will be under JS app.js. So JS stroke app.js. Okay, I'm receiving red here. What is it that I've not included? I need quotes. Great. All right, so if I come back here and refresh, still I won't be able to see anything because I need to include what was given to us here. So I need to come and include this example component here, okay? So what I need to do is now come to our, okay, I've already shown you that. Come to our dashboard here, okay? Then I include example component. Okay, it can be a soft closing tag, then I save. If I come back and refresh, there we go. We see now our example component.